My name is Victor Moore. I'm an intern of cybersecurity at Schoolville Academy. I started this journey, let's say, 4 months ago, and it's been a life-changing experience. I have had the passion of becoming a cybersecurity professional since the early age of 8. I've always had passion for it. I've made researches on my own before coming here, and it's been really nice. I love cybersecurity because it's a logical course. It's a course that requires discipline, and it helps me think. It helps me get to know how people operate. And I also love the aspect that it's used for catching criminals too, because it gives this sense of privacy, security, and also the sense of knowing how to protect your information, both the ones online and the ones you have with you off-site. It's been thrilling, like really, it's been thrilling. Schoolville, thanks to Schoolville has really given me a nice head start. Cybersecurity is, like I said earlier on, it's a logical course. It's a course that requires consistency and discipline. Well, I think it's because of my passion for it that, I've been going forward.